Hi guys, today we are unboxing a MAN A95 large screen from Hong Kong, Thai. This is the box. This is the front of the box, the side, the back, the product ID of the bus model, and Tiny Hong Kong's social media websites. The side, the top, and the bottom. This is the sticker details for the bus model. Now let's unbox the product. This is the front of the bus, the side, which shows on the ADS service 854, which goes from Yishun towards Budok interchange. The back of the bus, and the number plate is SG5756H. The sticker for giving way to the bus, the side, and the front again. This bus design is quite detailed. It looks like it's real life content. This is the detail stickers for the bus model, which you can paste, but I would not be pasting this in this video, as it's quite hard to paste all these logos on the bus model. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you do like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe.